Good morning, students. Today I will start your new chapter, that is latitude and longitudes. On my previous class, I had explained about globes and map. That day I have told that what is globe and what is the uses of globe. A globe is a small model of the Earth's surface. There is an imaginary line that is passing to its center. This. It is called an axis. Our Earth rotates constantly on its axis. The two end points of the Earth axis are called poles. The upper part of the Earth is called North Pole and the bottom is called the South Pole. Now let us discuss the topic latitudes and longitudes. Have you seen a globe? What we find? We find that there are so many lines drawn on it. What are these lines? These lines are called imaginary lines. Why these lines are drawn? And what we call these lines? These lines are imaginary lines. They are of two kinds, latitudes and longitudes. Why we draw latitudes and longitudes on globe? By drawing such lines, it becomes simple to locate a place on globe. What is the use of this line? This line uses to locate a place on globe. Now come to the point. Latitude. What is latitude? The angular distance of a place north or south of the Earth's equator. What is latitude? The angular distance means this, the angular distance of a place north or south of the Earth's equator is called latitude. Okay. Now, what is called parallels of latitudes? The imaginary lines in each hemisphere. Are called parallels of latitude. There is a question arises that what is hemisphere? Our Earth, there is one more imaginary line. It is called an equator. This one is the equator. And this line divides the Earth into two equal parts. The part of the Earth's surface from the equator to the North Pole, means to the North Pole, this part is called the northern hemisphere, and the part of the Earth's surface from the equator to the South Pole is called southern hemisphere. Already I have said what is called parallels of latitude. The lines in each hemisphere drawn parallel to the equator are called parallels of latitude. The number of each lines started with the equator, which is 0 degree, Already I have indicated that our equator is in 0 degree. There are total 180 degree of latitudes. There are total 180 degrees of latitudes. (90°) of latitudes is in the northern hemisphere. (90° of latitude is in the northern hemisphere, and 90° of latitudes is in the southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. As you have seen that I have drawn a model of the globe, and all the lines are followed by numbers, and also followed by N or S, which tells us whether the line is in the north direction or is in the south direction. Beside the equator, there are 4 more important latitudes. Let us see. Equator is one imaginary line. Beside the equator, there are 4 more important latitudes are. There are 4 important latitudes. Are first, Tropic of Cancer. Is in 23.5 degree north. Means this one is called the Tropic of Cancer. It is in 23.5 degree north. Second, Tropic of Capricorn. It is in 23.5 degree south. Means this line is called the Tropic of Capricorn. Third, Arctic Circle. It is 66.5 degree north. Means this one is the Arctic Circle. And last is Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Is 66.5 degree south. Means this is Antarctic Circle. These are the name of 4 important latitudes. Now next, do you know why the regions located near the equator are very hot? Because the intensity of the sun rays is highest at the equator. Why? Because it gets direct rays of the sun. As we move towards the North Pole or South Pole, the intensity of the sun rays decreases. So, today we end up your class with your assignment. Have a good day. दोनों आ गया है ना?
पॉज कर देना।